everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today's video is going to be a couple of blooms on some tiles. I need to make a couple more tiles and some of my pastel colors that I just got, the Meeden pastel colors. So today's colors, I'm going to use the pink, which is tulip pink, and the sunrise yellow, and I'm going to use the silver again like I did in the last video. All right, and a couple of other colors going in here. So let's pour down my Glidden Premium. Okay. Thanks for coming by for my videos. Hope you enjoy them. As you know, my regular people that watch me all the time know I love blooms, so I do a lot of blooms. I do swipes and other techniques once in a while, so let's do another bloom. All right, so first one I'm going to put down is this pink, and it's called Tulip Pink. Let's see, the consistency is pretty good. Try not to put too much. It's a small tile, it's only 4 by 4. This is PBO Violet, iridescent violet. I just mixed up a couple of these colors, and the PBO one seems very thick. Okay, now I got the silver. And I'm using, this is this little baby Athenia. And then I have the yellow I'm going to put on top. It's opaque also. Sunrise yellow. Okay, so I think what I'll do is I'm going to try using 2 cell activators. White and black. Oops, shoot. A little bit up there. My mini blower. And let's see what we get. That's pretty. Well, I think the purple disappeared somewhere in there. A lot of these peacock cells. I'll do 2. Let the center come back. Do some swirls. Middle's coming back. Okay. I guess this is the pink and the purple mixed together. It's kind of a pinky purple color coming out. Still moving a bit in the middle. Okay, let's see. There, I love this one. Okay, so I'm going to do another one. Let's get this out of here. I'll put the dried results at the end of the video. And if you check the description under my video, I have a discount code for the Meeden paints. 10% off if you order from me. And they have lots of other things on their website. Palette knives, easels, paints, airbrush. Okay. Now, where did I put? Oh, here it is. I have another one. I tape the back so that when I resin it, I can just peel it off. All right. I think I'm going to switch the yellow and the pink. See what happens. The yellow on the bottom this time and the pink on the top. They're both opaque. All right. I'll do the white and the black again. Ooh, there's lots of cells in this one. You can see some yellow on the outline there. Those yellows in the middle of the cells. Pretty, pretty. Let the middle come back. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you hit that bell, you'll be notified when I do a new video. You won't miss any. Comment below and let me know what you think. I have another discount code for the Sheleeart Bloom technique. And you'll get a discount on that also if you use my code. It's very helpful. Wow, that's very pretty. I like it. A little pastel in my life. That's pretty. It's nice with the silver in there, the gray. And that middle came back quicker this time. All right, give her a good spin. There's a couple of other discount codes in my description I have for the, no, not for Lowly Leffy, but there's a link to their website in my description. Love these mats, they're great. A lot of white showing through. Anyway, they're very pretty. It'll dry a little darker too. it's moving much. Okay, that's it. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a good day. Hi everybody. Here's my dried tiles. They dried really good. Didn't see anything moving. Very pretty. Thanks for watching and have a great day.